Welcome guys to another video for this channel. I am Esteban Viatoro and in this video I'm going to tell you 5 tips if you want to participate in a scientific competition. So let's start. Okay, tip number 1. Take advantage of the time. The time is the most valuable thing in these types of competition, so it's important that you make a good use of it. My recommendation is that you study since the beginning. As you remember, in my experience in my first year participating in the Science Olympics, I didn't start studying since the beginning. I think that if I would studied since the beginning, I could have better results. So, in my experience, I can tell you that it's very important that you take advantage of the time and start studying since the beginning of the competition. Tip number 2. Try to study at home. In this type of competitions, you have to do more. It's an extra effort. So it's important that you invest part of your time. Sometimes you can obtain this time in the school, in the university, or in your work, but other times you cannot obtain this time to prepare yourself for the competition. For this reason, I recommend you to study at home. If you finish all your homeworks, try to study 1 hour in a day because it's very important that you prepare yourself for the exams of the competition. In my experience, honestly, I didn't study in my house. I just studied like 3 times in one competition, and if I would have studied more in my house, I think that I could have better results in the competition. For this reason, try to study at home and don't make the same mistakes as like me. Tip number 3. Organize your time. The organization is very important in this competition. It's very important if you want to make a good use of your time. As I told you before, the time is the most valuable thing in this competition. So it's important that you organize your time if you want to make a good use of it. I recommend you to make an schedule. The schedule will help you with your organization and not only for the competition. The schedule will help you with all your activities. You can put all the classes of your school, some time to do homework, and if you have free time, put 1 hour to study for the competition. You can also put time to do exercise, time to spend with your family. It's very important to make a schedule because, in my experience, help a lot. So let's pass with the next tip. Tip number 4. Don't stay with questions. If you don't understand a topic, ask for answers or a better explanation. It's important that you understand all the things that you are studying. And ask to your teacher, to your teammates, to everyone, but don't stay with questions. In my experience, I can tell you that the topics of the competition is like a line. If you don't understand the first topic, you can pass to the second topic because you need the first topic to understand the second one. For this reason, it's important that you have clear your ideas and understand everything that you are studying. Tip number 5. Teamwork. The teamwork is very important in this competition. This is not a competition between your teammates. Your teammates are there for help you. You can ask them for questions if you don't understand a topic, and also you can help them if they have difficulty in some topics. You and your team is like one participant of the competition. Also, in my experience, I can tell you that study in a team is more funny and dynamic than study alone. If you remember, I study alone a lot of time, and it's very boring. It's just silence, and you can only ask for help to your teacher. So yeah, for that reason, I consider the teamwork a very important part of these competitions. Okay guys, that's all of my part. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notifications. Also, I invite you to check my teammate videos because are very interesting too. And if you want the second part of this video, please give a like to this video, and I'm going to upload the second part in a few weeks. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching.